Here at the Parker County Jail, they got flooded. I wonder if the water.
I swear to God, I thought there was.
I wonder if the water came in through here. 'Cause I don't see no damage from the ceiling.
No, look at the damage right here.
Yeah, that's all baseboards.
All about that face, about that face. No trouble. All about the face, about the face. No trouble.
No, we ran off all the workers. Oh, they had sandbags. I bet it's flooding came in right through the door.